Good day everyone! My name is Ronalyn A. Miasco. For today's video, gagawa ko ng sarili kong pinggang Pinoy. Let's start! First up, this rice is our go food. It's our main energy source to move around and stay active. Next, the togi. Here is our grow food. It builds our muscles and keeps us strong cause it's loaded with protein. And this apple. That's our glow food. Gives us vitamins and minerals for healthy skin and that natural glow.